I was done chasing shortcuts, done starving myself for results that vanished in weeks. I lost 50 pounds and kept it off, without quitting pizza, missing out on life, or torturing myself in the gym. You don't need to go harder. You need to go smarter. Let me show you how I created a sustainable weight loss journey that finally worked. For real. Stick around, because what you'll hear in the next 5 minutes could change your life forever. I was the start over on Monday type. Every Sunday night was full of guilt. Monday mornings, starvation, detox teas, brutal workouts. By Wednesday, I was exhausted, hangry, and ready to quit. Sound familiar? I hated my reflection. Not just the body I saw, but the shame I carried. But what broke me wasn't the weight. It was the yo-yoing, the starting and failing, the lie that discipline alone was enough. Until one night, in tears, I asked myself, what if the problem isn't me, but the way I'm trying to lose weight? That question changed everything. Let's get brutally honest. Crash diets don't work. Restrictive meal plans don't last. Relying on motivation will fail you. And here's the science to prove it. Your brain is wired to resist sudden change. Extreme calorie cuts increase your cortisol, slow your metabolism, and spike cravings. You're not weak, you're human. Willpower fades, but systems last. And here's the kicker. Studies show that small, consistent habits have 10 times more long-term impact than big, unsustainable changes. The secret isn't eating clean 24/7. It's creating routines you don't need to recover from. So I flipped the script. Instead of asking, how fast can I lose weight? I asked, what can I do every day for the rest of my life? That's when I created my 5 pillars of sustainable weight loss. 80-20 nutrition, 80% real, whole food. 20% soul food, yes, including pizza. No guilt, just balance. Movement I actually enjoyed. No 2-hour gym sessions. I walked, I danced, I stretched, I lived. Habit stacking, I tied new habits to old ones. Water before coffee, a 10-minute walk after lunch. Tiny tweaks that changed my life. Tracking progress, not perfection. I celebrated wins, even non-scale ones. Jeans fit better? Win. Didn't binge after a hard day? Massive win. Mindset over motivation, I journaled. I practiced gratitude, I forgave myself. I stopped quitting just because I wasn't perfect. Here's something no one tells you. You can lose 20 pounds and still hate your body. You can reach your goal weight and feel just as empty. Weight loss alone doesn't fix your self-worth, but building sustainable habits, that changes your identity. You stop saying, I can't have that. You start saying, I choose what fuels me. You stop punishing your body. You start partnering with it. The goal isn't just weight loss, it's freedom. Freedom to eat without guilt. Freedom to love your body now, even as it changes. Let's get real. Here are some practical, science-backed tips you can start today. Swap perfection for planning. 1. Don't plan to eat clean, plan realistically. Busy week? Prep freezer meals. 2. Got a party? Eat before you go. Drink water before meals. This reduces calorie intake by up to 13%. It also helps curb fake hunger. Use the hand rule. Protein equals palm, carbs equal cupped hand, veggies equal fist, fats equal thumb. Portion control made simple. Set trigger habits. 3. Put your walking shoes by the door. Set your water bottle on your desk. Create cues that make success automatic. 4. Sleep equals fat loss superpower. Lack of sleep increases ghrelin, your hunger hormone. Get 7 to 8 hours, your metabolism will thank you. I didn't just lose weight, I gained my life back. I can run with my son, laugh without insecurity, eat dinner with friends without counting bites. But the biggest transformation? I learned to trust myself again. This journey wasn't about looking better. It was about becoming who I was always meant to be, and I want that for you too. So here's your challenge. Don't try to change everything. Pick one habit from this video. Just one. Start today. Not perfectly, just consistently. And if this message hit home, if you felt seen, then subscribe, comment I'm starting today, and share this with someone who's ready to stop quitting on themselves. Because you're not broken. You don't need fixing. You need a system that loves you back. And I'm here to walk this journey with you.